Hey guys, CJ Cars 99 and we got the truck running. And I guess I'll show you the track now. Alright, here we go. Having my sister record, so bring it down here. Okay, that's a little. That noise is just a little skip plate. Oh, I hate that gate. Okay, now I'll go home. I just talked to my sister.
I got it.
Oh, I got it. Maybe I don't got it. Alright, I'll start from there. Oh, I don't know about that. Yeah, you can just throw that there. And I had to fix the hill because it was a little too steep. I figured that out while yelling at me. I saw the other video. Get watched it. I think I'm doing a little bad right now. Come on this side.
And
all over. That didn't sound good.
just sit from there.
And then I guess we'll just cruise around the grass. It's fine.
That'd be funny if we put it on the trampoline.
Yeah. You can just walk on the grass around.
You really don't have to walk around with it. 6 minutes.
Hey, come over here. Stand over here. I'm gonna come up on the roof. Well, I guess, guys, that's pretty much it right now. Get some more videos coming out soon and stuff, and yeah. So stay tuned for those good videos.
Oh my gosh, there's like a butterfly that's blending in with the flowers. Is that it?
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the Annihilator pulling the trailer and stuff. And more videos of this truck. I roll it down the hill. So yeah, please, do those thumbs up and stuff and those comments. And definitely make sure you guys are being entertained and whatnot. Keep more videos coming. And have a nice day.